Hi everyone, we are starting our new Oracle DBA training from tomorrow. It is completely real-time database training, and if you want to start your career as a Oracle DBA, you can reach out to us. We have a training center available in Pune location. We do provide a real-time database training. The training is available online as well as offline. The duration of the training will be 2 months, where you are going to learn about all real-time activities that we perform as a Oracle DBA in the IT industry. You will be helping us after the training for resume preparation. Then you will get the free Oracle DBA interview questions. Again, we will also help you with the job assistance. So if you are coming from any location, even if you are coming from Pune location, you can reach out to us. We have online as well as offline training available. We are starting this training from tomorrow only. So if you have some basic knowledge about SQL and Linux, you can easily start your career with as a Oracle database administrator. So guys, we are here to help you out to start your career with the IT industry. Even though you are coming from any background, let's say you are coming from mechanical, civil, you are working as a Oracle DBA and you want to brush up the skills, or if you are working with any technology, irrespective of any degree, let's say you are working on BA, BCom, BSc, anyone can start their career into the IT industry. So this is a skill set where you don't need to worry about the coding. This is completely free coding kind of technology, anyone can understand easily. So we start from very basic and slowly we go to the advanced part. Alright, so we have all the details available in the description. You can reach out to on WhatsApp or email. Even you can fill up the Google form. Thanks.